Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp as app on PC. So to start, go to Microsoft Store and open it. Now, once you're on the Microsoft Store, click the search bar and search for WhatsApp and click on the result right here. Once you click that, here on your side, it will say install if you have not installed it yet. So just click on install and it will be installed to your computer right away. So I have installed it to my laptop. So it says here open. Now, once installed, after that, you can use WhatsApp as usual. For the next method, you can open any browser. So I'm going to open Chrome and go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Click the first website. Now, once you're here, what you need to do is to click on download. At the top right, you can also click on download right here at the bottom. So I'm just going to click download. Now, click on show in folder and double click WhatsApp installer and it will run in your computer. So once installed, click on open and you can use WhatsApp however you like. And that's basically it. That's how you can install WhatsApp on your PC or on your device. Now, if you're using MacBook, you can just go to App Store and go and search for WhatsApp in there and just click on install, or you can also go to the website whatsapp.com and just click on download. So basically, it's the same steps. And that's it. Thank you for watching.